Uy, creative freelancer for 10 years. Tulala ka na naman ba sa labas? Turns out may neuroscience behind this pala. For years, akala ko distracted lang ako. As an architect, madalas akong nakatingin sa labas ng bintana kahit nasa Zoom call ako. My friends would call me out, "Pia, nakatulala ka na naman sa labas." Akala ko, bad habit ko lang yon. Akala ko, sign yon na hindi ako makapag-focus. Turns out, hindi pala. Moment of creativity ko pala yon. As an architect, I started digging into why certain spaces make people more creative and others make them feel stuck. And I found it. There's actual neuroscience behind where your eyes go when you're thinking deeply. Kapag madalas ka matulala, when you look far out a window into an open space, your brain shifts into a different mode. A mode that's more associative, more imaginative, more open to ideas. Ang tawag doon ay soft focus. And it's the same state your brain enters right before a great idea hits. Yung tingin mo sa labas ng bintana, hindi yan distraction. That's your brain asking for the right environment to think. And this is exactly why your workspace setup matters more than you think. Kung nakaharap ka sa wall the whole day, you're literally blocking your brain's natural way of thinking creatively, lalo na if you're into creative work. This is the reason why kung creative work ang kailangan mong gawin, you need a desk that is outside, by the garden, or by a big window. Hindi yan aesthetic, hindi yan para sa Instagram. That's your brain getting exactly what it needs para maka-generate ng ideas. Yung tingin mo sa labas ng bintana, hindi ka nakatulala. You were just in the wrong room the whole time. Your eyes need somewhere to travel so your ideas can follow. Next video, I'll show you exactly how to position your creative workspace to take advantage of this. Kahit maliit ang kwarto mo, kahit walang magandang view sa labas. Follow so you don't miss, and comment tulala kung madalas ka rin matulala while working.